Hello. So I'm doing my first experiment on the compiler lab. So my experiment is to write a program in order to perform a token separation for the given subset of the language. So for that we need to uh, make the separation by the to the each keyword by using identifiers, keywords, operators, punctuations. So So here I'm going to the program. So we are using uh, file description. So we use the header files like dot file, and then we use a class. And here is the content of the file, which is saved as the program.txt. So this is the program.txt int ABC semicolon plus minus. So it is made by the token separation. So here's the separation has been done by using the split function, and all this result has been stored inside the result, and then we use the for loop, and then we print the result, and all the in the program dot text int ABC, we have to find whether they are operator, keyword, or punctuation. In order to that, we just check whether they're separated by the plus minus into, which is an operator, and keywords such as for, do, while, if, else, and the punctuations like dot, comma, semicolon, and it has been printed with the keyword. We use the boolean keyword in order to check whether it is a true or false. So, and then we use the for loop for the I equal to 0 to check whether the result of the string uh, matches with the keyword. So in order to that, we just consider where I is equal to 0. In the program.text, we consider I as int, and we check the result of the string whether it is matches with the keyword, where result I equal to the keyword j, so it gets shifted. So when I is equal to 0, it checks 4 is equal to the keyword of uh, for the keyword int, so it doesn't matches, then it will be shifted to the do, where the j increments, since then it stops with the int when it is matches with the result I equal to the keyword j. So it does the matches, so it gets print, so the result I will be printed, and whether it has been whether there is a choice whether it is an operator, so then we use the boolean keep operator, so in order to check whether it is true or false, then again we will check for the operator who I equal to 0, I less than result dot length, in order to check the given string it has an operator or not, and then uh, it checks whether where I is equal to 0, so it checks whether the operator starts with plus minus into, and we check the given string, so the I when so I starts with int, so it matches with whether it is matches with plus or minus, then it doesn't, so it changes to A, then again it checks whether it is matches, then it again changes to B, then C, then semicolon, then it finally matches with plus and minus to the first keyword. So when it gets matches, so the found keyword uh, will show true, then the result will be printed. As the same thing, as the same thing, it will happen to the punctuations. It checks whether the given string deals with the punctuations, and so it checks with the int. Then it shifts to A, B, C, then it reaches semicolon, so it matches, and then the result will be true, so the result will be printed. So this ends my exercise number 2. Thank you.
Number one, I'm not sure this.